All right, you guys. I'm about to come on real crazy. I'm about to come on real crazy looking right now. But we're going to do a Sleek High Ponytail tutorial because we're transforming my hair from drab to fab. So right now I'm going to be using this hair ponytail that is a straight hair ponytail from literally Sally's. I'm going to take out my braids to start, and then we're going to make a super slick and spicy high ponytail like in the thumbnail. So yeah. And by the way, my name is Carla Stevenné. I like to say it sometimes, occasionally in videos, and I'm gonna just keep saying it, and eventually y'all just gonna know how to say it because I know it looks interesting. It's Carla Stevenné. But seriously, I need to take this out. My hair's grown so much. I'm so like lazy when it comes to doing my braids. That's why they just look like trash. Like, take out the braids, save the day. Open the door real quick. Should I make the title from mullet to slick pony? Look. Look. Open the door. Should I make the title from mullet to slick pony? Because I look bald right now at the top.
What?
Should I make the title from mullet to straight to slick pony?
Did you say mullet?
Ain't no one take mullet.
I don't say mullet.
It just look like one. Don't look like a mullet though.
No. I don't say that.
Why?
Who says that?
You ain't never heard of a mullet hairstyle?
I've heard of that's an old thing.
I know. It's irrelevant. Fine, I won't name it that. A mullet, we got no hair at the top, but hair at the bottom. But I don't got a mullet though. Do you know what you're doing? Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising? You gon' get the whole world, but is it with the girl that you losing? Be careful with me. It's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me. My heart is like a package with a fragile label on it. Be careful with me. Bet. Y'all probably wasn't expecting this. Y'all probably wasn't expecting this hair. It's Carla. My hair is looking crazy. I will be now putting on the false pony. And this pony is from the Sassy collection. It's a straight drawstring string ponytail in the color Off Black 1B. Length 26 inches, hunty. All sales are final for this. So yeah, this was like literally $16 at Sally's Beauty Supply store. You also will need the Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel. This is for all hair types, moisturizes hair and scalp, tames frizz, no flake, no tack, anti-itch. Okay, hunty. You're gonna need that Eco Styler. And you will also need some edge control. So I will be using two different ones. This is the Jamaican Black, this is by Shea Moisture. It's Strengthen and Grow and Restore Edge Treatment by Shea Moisture. Don't mind the package. It's like, there you have it. And I will also be using the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control. That comes in this like orangey color. And then you will also just need a rat tail comb. And it has like one of the sharp points. And then you will also need like a pick fork comb. Because what we're going to do is slick our edges and do all of that. Oh, and of course a bristle brush. This is so important when you're slicking your edges with gel. It's like a must. It just slicks it so smooth. Yes. So bristle brush is a major key too. And then of course you're going to also need a silk scarf. I'm not going to say of course. You maybe didn't know that. So we're going to start by brushing it out. Because I just took my braids out. And it needs to be detangled. So yeah, just detangle it. Get your hair brushed out, girl. Ah, I'm just kidding. I like it actually. Diva, go diva. The afro. How y'all like the fro? How y'all like the fro? I'm about to send some pics to my friends on Snapchat. Hold up. Now I'm off my phone. So The first step is just making sure, well, you need to have a ponytail. Yeah, let me go get that. You wanna make sure you also have a ponytail, of course. Get ready, make sure you have a fresh one and get that ready on your wrist. Cause girl, you're gonna be wrapping it fast. Cause you gotta be ready, okay? It's a quick process. So then you're gonna take your Eco Styler gel. Get that ready to go. Okay, keep it open and just know you don't have to get that ready. And get all your edge control ready, okay? Recognize the baby hairs, get them out the way, and brush everything else up. Because you're preparing this ponytail. Every moment, every like brush up, you're preparing this ponytail because it's a lot, okay? You gotta make sure it's slick, all right? So brush it up. So now pull it tighter and brush it up with your hand to make it tighter. You guys have to understand, pull on your hair. Pull it. It's getting tighter. You want your ponytail to land right here and hang right here. Okay, envision it. So the next step is to get the basic edge control on to start. So we're gonna put the Strengthening, Grow, and Restore Edge Treatment. I'll put it down below by Shea Moisture. And we're gonna put those on these little baby hairs. And I brush all this up on the side. I don't do no sideburns now. And then just put a little bit of that edge treatment on the edge. And it's really just for the treatment. My hands are getting tired, but this is really the process when you do this by yourself at home. The slick pony ain't no joke. All right, so now I'm gonna take your edge control and put that right on the baby hairs. And you guys have to understand, this ain't the final result. You're just preparing it. The bristle brush is really what gets it slick and nice. So yeah, I only put edge control on directly on my edges, literally. Like nothing too much. Don't put that all over your hair. That's not what it's for, hunties. You gotta use the Eco Styling Gel. Now for the edges, take the bristle brush and just brush and smooth. Smooth the pieces down in the front. And I like to just brush down and curve. However you like to style your baby hairs, but I like to brush down and curve when I do this. Okay, get the little pieces up front, brush it down, and curve. And now, add your Eco Styler Gel like crazy. Go in. You have to. Go in. Put it on straight up. It look crazy, right? Yep. Your hand should be hurting. I'm just kidding, nah. Not necessarily. Okay. Next step, wipe off your hands a little bit. Take the bristle brush and smooth it. And add water. I did grab that, right? No, I didn't. You do have to add water sometimes. Oops. So keep this at hand too. I'm gonna spray a little bit directly in the gel, which sounds crazy, but I just need like some of it. The water helps to make it slicker too. But not too much to make your hair start getting curly and stuff. And it's gonna look crazy. Your hair's gonna start curling up because of your natural curls, but don't worry about it because the scarf is what is the trick. So now you got your gel on, you brush it with your bristle brush, pull it as tight as possible, just the last pull, put on your hair tie and then it breaks. I'm just kidding, that really can happen though. So just be prepared with another. Woo! Keep pulling it. Y'all know how this goes, tight pony. Okay. One more. Gonna break. Ball it up like that just to get it out the way for now. Now you guys, before this starts to get like firm or anything, put your scarf on your entire head. And this is the trick. And make sure it's silk. Now take your fingers, take your two first front fingers, pointer fingers, and slide up the sideburn area. And pull it around tightly. Around the whole head. I wrapped it from the front to the back and back up into a bow. So now we just let this sit right now, but you can do this, do your makeup and take it off. So like 45 minutes would be like a dream, but I'm just gonna wait 20 minutes. So I'm gonna come back to you guys in 20 minutes and just let it sit, you guys. And I'm back, and I'm back, and it's 30 minutes later. So 30 minutes later, I decided to wait 30 minutes instead of 20. This is how long it is. Ooh, we about to whip it. Yes, I can't wait. So I'm gonna show you guys up close. There's two clips. This is what it looks like, two clips. So we're gonna clip the top on, clip the bottom in over, and then you adjust this to make it tight over the ponytail. So now let's take off our band for the moment of truth. And bang. It's a slick. But those waves come because the gel is like moisturized, and you guys know my natural hair is curly, so that's just how it's gonna work. Now just make it into a better bun. As in a smaller bun. By taking that tiny elastic and putting it on there. Bang, bang, bang. Now it's there. And the clips are a major key. So now that when it's clipped, you have to make sure you adjust the elastic. You should feel it on the bun. Woo, okay. Now take some bobby pins. I forgot to mention that in the beginning, but it's all Gucci. You guys need, you don't need them, but it will make it more secure. So yeah, just bobby pin it down. Is take a piece of this hair from the back of the ponytail. Okay. And wrap it around the ponytail. So it just looks better. And as you wrap, just add that bobby pin. And wrap it around the base of the entire ponytail. When you put it on, you want to make sure it ends up in the back. And then take a bobby pin and pin that in the back. You won't even be able to see anything. Right underneath the pony. Yes, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, but it ain't over until you click the subscribe button. Yo, girl's obsessed, okay, obsessed. All right, I will catch you guys in my next one, and I'm going to add some action shots for y'all, okay? Mwah! Bye.
So strong.